How to make her miss you. When we are in a relationship or are hoping to be in a relationship, we all hope that we will be missed when we are not around. It is just human nature to want to feel needed. You might find that you are romantically interested in someone, or you might already be in a relationship. To make a woman miss you, you need to provide her with something truly special, something she won't find anywhere else. This is effective whether you're in a committed relationship or simply engaging in conversation. By the end of this video, you'll know all the secret to make any woman miss you so badly. If you are new here, this channel is all about teaching you social psychology videos. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's start. Number 1. Be a bit mysterious. During the first few days, you will feel the urge to reveal everything about yourself. But that's how most guys lose the girl in the first place. You should give her enough about yourself to pique her interest, and not tell her everything at once. She doesn't want to know your deepest secrets and fears on the second date. It's actually a huge turn-on for some women. Save some of them for later so you'll make her want to stick around and find out more about you. That's how you make a girl miss you and want to be there for you more. I know you don't want to come off as a boring person, but keep those juicy details to yourself when you know she's genuinely interested in you. But give her enough information about you to intrigue her. That's when you know she'll stick around to hear the rest of those stories. As time goes by, your dates will become more interesting and fun as you tell each other your greatest achievements and most embarrassing stories. Number 2. Share fun experiences. Creating memorable experiences is a powerful way to make her miss you when you're apart. By sharing unique moments and adventures, you not only build a strong bond, but also give her special memories that she will cherish and think about when you are not around. The more positive and memorable experiences you share, the more she will associate you with joy, excitement, and happiness, making her crave your company. To create memorable experiences, focus on planning activities that are fun and meaningful for both of you. It can be as simple as hiking a scenic mountain, trying a new restaurant, or attending a concert by your favorite band. You can explore new places together, like a weekend trip to a nearby city or a vacation to an exotic destination. Engage in activities that encourage conversation and bonding, such as cooking together or attending a workshop or class. For example, you can sign up for a dance class or a pottery workshop, creating a shared experience that allows you to learn and grow together. By trying to create memorable experiences, you show her that you value the time you spend together and are committed to keeping the relationship fresh and exciting. When you're apart, she'll be reminded of the good times you had and will look forward to the next adventure you share. This emotional connection can make her miss you and strengthen your bond in the long run. Number 3. Show interest. Showing genuine interest in her life, thoughts, and feelings is a key part of building a strong relationship, and she will miss you when you are not around. By showing that you care about her experiences and emotions, you create a sense of trust and intimacy that is essential for a healthy, long-term relationship. When you're apart, she'll remember the emotional support and understanding you provide, making her long for your company. To show interest in her, ask thoughtful questions about her day, her interests, and her aspirations. Be curious about her hobbies, work, or family life, and actively engage in conversations about these topics. For example, if she is passionate about photography, ask her about her favorite subjects to shoot, the equipment she uses, and if she has any upcoming projects or goals. When she shares something important or exciting with you, celebrate her achievements and encourage her to pursue her dreams. Also, pay attention to the small details in her stories. This will show that you are really listening and care about what she has to say. By taking a genuine interest in her life, you create an environment where she is valued and appreciated. This emotional connection will make her miss you when you are apart because she longs for the understanding and support you provide. Investing the time and effort to get to know her on a deeper level will help you create a strong, genuine bond that will stand the test of time. Number 4. Be a good listener. Being a good listener is a crucial part of developing a strong relationship with someone, and she will miss you when you are not around. Active listening not only shows that you genuinely care about her thoughts and feelings, but it also helps to show her appreciation and understanding. When you're not together, you'll miss the emotional support she gives you and the feeling of being truly heard. To be a good listener, avoid distractions like your phone or TV and make sure to give her your full attention during conversations. Make eye contact, nod, and use verbal affirmations like "I see" or "I understand" to show you're engaged. Ask open-ended questions to encourage her to share more, and try to empathize with her feelings and experiences. For example, if she's talking about a difficult day at work, you can say, "That was really challenging. How did you deal with that situation?" Doing so shows that you're genuinely interested in her experiences and feelings. When she remembers the unique connection you share and how you made her see and understand you, she will miss you. Looking to establish a genuine relationship. Number 5. Encourage her self-growth. Encouraging her self-development is another essential part of making her miss you. By supporting her personal growth and encouraging her to be the best version of herself, you become an invaluable source of inspiration and motivation in her life. Help her set and achieve her goals, whether related to her career, hobbies, or personal well-being. Offer constructive feedback and be a sounding board for her ideas, while celebrating her successes and achievements. For example, if she's working on a personal project, offer to come up with ideas together or provide resources to help her succeed. By being an active participant in her self-growth journey, you create a deep bond that she misses when you're not around, because she craves the emotional support and guidance you provide. Number 6. Work on yourself. The only way you can make a girl miss you is if you focus on chasing your dreams and achieving your goals. All of that requires certain sacrifices and traits that women find attractive in men. It takes a lot of discipline and hard work to make more money of late and not go out with your friends every night, even if they are having the time of their lives. But there is something you can get out of it. Remember that. Not only will your woman see how laser-focused you are on making your dreams come true, but your value will increase as well. Why? Because she will feel different about you. It comes with deep appreciation from her end. It is our nature to miss the things and people we value and appreciate. It is that simple. So, if you want a girl to miss you, work on yourself and focus on being a better man. Number 7. Don't be afraid to lose her. Fear of loss is a powerful tool to control a relationship if you truly understand it without abusing it. Without the fear of loss, there is no respect, attraction, and love. If a girl isn't afraid of losing you, she'll take you for granted, brush off your worries, disrespect you when it's convenient for her, and eventually look for other options with more self-respect. If you fear losing her, you will slowly become an emotional begging machine that regularly seeks her approval and satisfaction. Once she smells your fear, she'll slowly turn away from you in despair, wondering how you ever got this far in her life in the first place. If you are in one relationship or lining up another replacement for you, it becomes a matter of time before she starts a strategy to get out of your relationship. But if you maintain your frame smartly and don't worry about losing her, you'll have a better chance of being pursued by her. If you take an abundance mindset and act accordingly, you'll give her something special to think about because you stand out, and this will make her miss you and desire you more in the long run. Number 8. Keep your distance. If you want her to miss you, you need to give her some space. If you want her to follow you, she'll have to cover the space you left. You can't miss what's already there, and you can't chase what's already there. Most guys get so emotionally invested in a girl that they can't get out of their own heads. They are very careful about doing and saying the wrong thing so that they can't read the girl's body language, emotions, and interest. They fail to understand when to push and when to pull into an interaction so that the woman can engage by actually participating in their conversations. As a man who wants to create attraction, your job is to give her enough to invest. You are not there to impress her. You are not there to entertain her. You won't even win her over. You are there to share your amazing self with her and see if she is interested. You're there to give her a little and then keep your distance so she can try to explore what it's like to be with you. Approach women with that attractive mindset. Act like you're the prize, and some of them will be curious enough to see what you're all about. Once you keep up this charming, fun, and mysterious vibe, she'll eventually fall for you and miss you when you're not around. Number 9. Be patient. Patience is an essential quality for building a strong, lasting relationship, and she'll miss you when you're not around. Being patient shows that you respect her feelings and boundaries, and are willing to give her the time and space she needs to feel comfortable in your relationship. Showing patience will help instill a sense of security and trust, because she'll know you're not trying to rush or pressure her into anything. For example, if she's having a hard time or needs space to process her feelings, give her the time she needs without pushing for immediate answers or solutions. Instead, let her know you're there for her and willing to wait until she's ready to talk or move on. Similarly, when making decisions about your relationship, be patient and understand her thoughts and concerns, allowing for open communication and cooperation.